ate pulawa.
Silung pemareen pulau Osimelu, pemandangan singa senang lahan. Angai tatu mata tengah sen sambil kita mengelam alunan lagu. Paling mareen pulau Osimelu, pantai singa bersih ale alami.
Pio pio pio, hello guys, buy fish from me. Today 1 kilogram of fish just cost 35,000 rupiah. Hi.
Assalamualaikum, Mam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Bam. Where are you from, Bam?
Bambang just got home from college, Mom. Go change my clothes and came straight here.
How much, ma'am?
Oh, yes please, ma'am. Oh, today 1 kilogram of fish just cost 35,000 rupiah, ma'am.
I just want to buy 1 kilogram to cook later in the afternoon. Give a cheaper price, please.
Oh, yeah, sure, you can. Oh, okay. Wait for a minute. Bambang, give to her. This is your and I give it to you more.
Wow, you are very kind. This is 30,000 rupiah, ma'am.
Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin, ya Allah. Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bambang, come here. Yes, Dad. Wait a minute. Mom, I'm going to him now. Bye. What's wrong, Dad?
Is the fish sold out, Bam?
Alhamdulillah, sold out, Dad. But Mom gave the buyer low prices, so that today not much income for us, Dad.
Bam, that fortune has been arranged by Allah. We can be stingy with people. It could be because we provide low price to buyers. It will mean a lot to them. We don't know why. They ask us why. It could be because the net offers stateless for their daily life.
I'm sorry, Dad. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. No, you can do what you can help, Bang.
Yes, Dad. I can.
Bambang! Hey! Come here!
Yes, Chick.
Returning very quickly.
Surely your mother has finished selling, huh?
Yes, Chick. Alhamdulillah, Salat.
I am very grateful for this sea, Bang. With the sea we live. With the sea, we can also enjoy the beauty of the power that God has given us. Look there, Bang. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's all about us and sea beautiful.
Dream